The world's most expensive umbrella was sold at auction for a staggering $100,000. For centuries, umbrellas have been a staple in many cultures, providing protection from the elements. However, not all umbrellas are created equal, and some have become status symbols for the wealthy. Take the world's most expensive umbrella, for example, which was sold at auction for a staggering $100,000. This luxury umbrella is crafted with the finest materials, including silver and gold, and features intricate designs. But what makes it so special, and why would someone pay such a high price for it? The answer lies in its unique craftsmanship and the exclusivity of the brand that produces it. Imagine owning a piece of art that not only keeps you dry, but also makes a statement. The world's most expensive umbrella is more than just a functional item. It's a status symbol. It's like carrying a piece of history in your hand, a symbol of wealth and sophistication. But as we all know, with great price comes great responsibility.
The real question is it worth the cost?
To answer this, let's take a closer look at the materials and craftsmanship that go into creating such an expensive umbrella. For instance, worth the cost. The umbrella's frame is made from silver, which is not only durable but also corrosion resistant. The ribs are made from high-quality fiberglass, which provides excellent strength and flexibility. The canopy is made from a special type of fabric that is both water-resistant and UV-resistant. But that's not all. The umbrella also features intricate designs and engravings that make it truly unique. It's like a work of art that you can carry with you wherever you go. But what about the brand that produces this luxury umbrella? The company behind it has a reputation for excellence and attention to detail. Their products are not only beautiful but also functional, making them a cut above the rest. But repairs about the cost of replacement maintenance for such an expensive umbrella. The good news is that the brand offers a comprehensive warranty and maintenance program.
This means that you can enjoy your luxury umbrella without worrying about the cost of repairs or replacements.
But what about the environmental impact of producing such an expensive umbrella? The company has implemented sustainable practices in their manufacturing process, reducing waste and minimizing their carbon footprint. It's like a breath of fresh air, knowing that your luxury umbrella is not only beautiful but also eco-friendly. But as we all know, with great power comes great responsibility. The real question is, what are the consequences of owning such an expensive umbrella? To answer this, let's take a closer look at the real-world implications of owning a luxury item like this. For instance, the cost of owning an expensive umbrella can be prohibitively high for many people.
It's like a luxury item that's out of reach for the average person.
But what about the impact on the environment? The production and maintenance of luxury items like this umbrella can have a significant impact on the environment. It's like a double-edged sword, where the benefits of owning a luxury item are offset by the costs. But what about the psychological impact of owning such an expensive umbrella? Research has shown that owning luxury items can have a positive impact on our self-esteem and confidence. It's like a psychological boost that comes with owning a beautiful and exclusive item. But what about the social implications of owning an expensive umbrella? The truth is that owning a luxury item like this can be a status symbol, separating us from others.
It's like a social divider, where those who can afford it are seen as superior to those who cannot.
But what about the potential for abuse? Owning a luxury where those who can item like this can be afforded are seen as it for superior to those who thieves and cannot scammers.
It's like a magnet for people who would take advantage of your wealth and status.
But what about the potential for loss? The truth is that owning a luxury item like this can be a risk, especially if you're not careful. It's like a gamble, where you're betting your wealth and status on the value of the item. But what about the potential for regret? The truth is that owning a luxury item like this can be a source of regret, especially if you're not happy with it. It's like a nagging feeling that you've made a mistake and that the item is not worth the cost. But what about the potential for happiness? The truth is that owning a luxury item like this can be a source of happiness, especially if it brings you joy. It's like a feeling of satisfaction that comes from owning something beautiful and exclusive. But what about the potential for connection? The truth is that owning a luxury item like this can be a source of connection, especially if you share it with others. It's like a sense of community that comes from sharing a beautiful and exclusive item. So, what's the verdict on the world's most expensive umbrella? Is it worth the cost? Or is it a luxury item that's out of reach for the average person? The answer lies in your own values and priorities. If you value exclusivity and status, then the world's most expensive umbrella may be for you. But if you value sustainability and affordability, then it may not be the best choice. The choice is yours. Hit subscribe and join our fascinates you most about luxury journey of items discovery.
So, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about luxury items.
Blowing end facts. Hit subscribe and join our fascinates you most about luxury journey of items discovery. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.